We've all seen viral videos like this one. But the question is how to make them.
Hello guys and welcome to our new site. So we've all seen videos like this one. A man wasting propeller knob in a muddy water. Or just like this one. A guy jumping from mountain and landing in a small hole in the ground filled with water. Or like this one, falling from water slide, like the nightmares we sometimes have. So, what is amazing about this website? You can use it as a hook attached to your raw video. For example, back to this propeller knob wasted.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Delta Airlines Flight 2998 bound for Atlanta, Georgia.
Okay, so like this video company making some industrial tools. So you are showing a wrench with a special grabbing feature. So you are showing this video first, then you put your original video next to it in your editing timeline. So you got a hook first, then you show your product. And it gives you here a marketing strategy. So how creators use this hook? Creators use this transition to maintain high retention rates in YouTube ads and Instagram Reels. By breaking the visual pattern, you increase the CTR or click-through rate and keep viewers engaged through the entire sales funnel. Okay, so other example might be like this one. So after showing this video, you put next to it your original video with starting of a jumping opening. So you'll get a video of a man going on the water slide, then he falls from that water slide and landing in front of your store, for example. So you can use it here as opening hook. So all the viral hooks, you can find it right here. And of course, some of you already saw this hooks somewhere, like this one.
Where's the video?
We've all seen this video on Instagram as a grabbing hook. So, other thing this site has is a kite and video script hooks. So what is Kite? Kite is the AI content operating system for finding trends, creating onboard content, and scheduling it from one workspace. I've tried the free version and it's really amazing. You can start a trend, or you can ask for a breakdown, or get brand ready ideas. So everything about this site is amazing. I'll of course leave the link in the description. And those hooks, you can use it on your video. There's no copyrights infringement on those. You can use them freely. And as you can see, you have more than 20 pages on this site for a viral grabbing hook. And as always, if you felt that I helped you, please help me back by liking this video and subscribing to my channel for more useful tutorials. And as always, thank you for watching.